your support. Awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. I hope we get a good answer, but if not, we'll continue the fight. Did you want to do an interview or something for your station?
Yeah, sure.
What is this? Unvaccinated lives matter. I love it. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Let's do it right here with the crowd behind us.
Yeah, sure.
All right. What do you want? Let's do it right now.
Okay, you stand on this side. You stand on that side.
All right. And you're with who?
Hawaii Free Speech News
I love it. I love the name already.
and Liberty Press.
And Liberty Press. I like both of those names.
This guy right here did an awesome job. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And I do think that the at least one judge I feel was like on our side. I feel pretty good. I think two of them were actually pretty on our side.
We'll see what happens. We had a civilized hearing. Everybody got an opportunity to speak. I wish we could have had 3 hours for each side because there's so much more I would have liked to have said. But in essence, what we're saying is it means what it says. The legislature said that this emergency power, it ends in 60 days. It doesn't say maybe it ends. It says it shall end in 60 days. There's no discretion to continually issue new proclamations. And so what's happened, here we are now, almost 2 years later, the governor has continued to declare state of emergency after state of emergency after state of emergency. And the statute says it's his sole discretion to determine what an emergency is. The only check that we have, in the law right now is that 60-day provision. And if you think about it, it actually makes sense, right? To say, look, it's where I started my presentation. Emergencies happen. Fine. Give him 60 days to do what he needs to do. That's fine. But at the end of 60 days, that's where the legislature gets it. The emergency might continue. Fine. This is where the voice of the people resides, with the legislator. Amen. The legislators need to stand up and end this rule by one person. It's never appropriate in a free society to have so much power at the discretion of one person until he ever decides that it's time to relinquish it. That's what we're fighting for in this case. But on a bigger scale, there will be more issues. I mean, I love to fight every single issue, but there's going to be issues that come up in the future. We got to deal with all of them. We got to deal with a fundamental principle. It's called live and let live. It means the same thing as the aloha spirit. If we really believe it, I want this movement to start in Hawaii and to grow from Hawaii. Hawaii should lead the world in the aloha spirit and in the live and let live global peace movement. I want to thank all of you guys. I don't know if you guys know this. We got guys in Africa going like this now. We got guys in Poland going like this now. liveandletlive.org. Just check out, there's a temporary site there. But this is going global. It's already gone global. We're reworking the site. A lot of money's going into it. We're trying to get done what needs to be done. Live and let live. Live however you want to live. You're in charge of you. You're in charge of your life, right? That's why we're here.
Exactly.
We're on the right side.
Yes.
Peace, everybody. Peace. Let's get it done. Thank you. Thank you so much. Live and let live.
And hopefully we will have a decision. We shall see. It could be possibly several weeks before they give us their decision. It could be a few hours. So stay hopeful and make sure that you're on my newsletter, email subscriber list. Go to ForOurRights.org and please donate to the cause. We need to keep raising money for the lawsuit. So if you can go to ForOurRights.org to support and donate to the cause, we really appreciate your donation so that we can pay this guy and so that we can keep this fight going.
Thanks so much to For Our Rights. These are good people trying to get it done. So I want to... And I also want to let you guys know, we're not doing it for free, but we're doing it at a dramatically reduced rate because we're in it for the freedom of it. We're the attorneys for freedom, and that's what we're about. So
God bless you.
The count of three, end the emergency. 1, 2, 3.